Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric, and welcome to February's Hot Product in a Hot Minute. Today I have with me Vince De Lio. He is our Brady Specialist here at Standard Electric, and he's here to tell you more about the Brady Link 360, which is a cloud-based software for Lockout, Tagout. So Vince, why don't you tell us more about this?
Hey Joanne, I'm Vince, and while I don't have a product to show you, I did want to tell you about this awesome safety program called Link 360. It's a cloud-based platform that makes safety management super easy with three main features: lockout, tagout, confined spaces, and general maintenance procedures. Link 360 is an annual subscription with unlimited users, so your whole team can use it, whether they're on-site or remote. It makes annual audits a piece of cake. OSHA requires you to audit your lockout tagout procedures at least once a year, and Link 360 keeps everything up to date and compliant. You can print your lockout tagout material directly through a Brady printer and even build your own auditing process to keep everything current. The system lets you route procedures for approval, keeping you organized and efficient. With Link 360, you'll have a complete snapshot overview of your safety program at any time, giving you full visibility and control. It works seamlessly with your device, whether it's an app, tablet, or computer, making it easy to stay connected and compliant from anywhere. Link 360 is the ultimate tool to maintain a safe, sustainable lockout program that keeps both your team and facility compliant and safe. So just to recap on a few of the main points, it's cloud-based, it has custom auditing, real-time visibility, and sustainable safety. So if you have any questions, reach out to either myself, your Standard Electric rep, and we'll set up a demo with a Brady representative, either in person or virtually. Thank you.
Thank you, Vince. That was great. It's safe, compliant, and easy to use. What else do you need from there? So as Vince said, if you guys want a quote on this, you can reach out to us. And please like and subscribe so that you can always know when one of these new videos are up. And until next week, you guys have a great day. Thank you.
Bye.